Imagine stepping into your car, entering your destination, and sitting back as the vehicle seamlessly navigates the roads, responds to traffic signals, and avoids obstacles, all without your hands ever touching the wheel. This isn't a scene from a distant future. It's the remarkable reality being shaped by self-driving technology and artificial intelligence today. Self-driving, or autonomous vehicles, are transforming our relationship with transportation. At the heart of this revolution lies artificial intelligence, a powerful blend of software, machine learning, and data processing that enables vehicles to interpret and respond to their surroundings. Equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR systems, these vehicles collect massive amounts of information every second. AI algorithms process this data in real time, identifying pedestrians, road signs, lane markings, and even predicting the behavior of other drivers. The journey to full autonomy is mapped out in levels, from basic driver assistance to complete self-driving capability without any human intervention. At the lower levels, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking are already common in many modern cars. These systems enhance safety and convenience, supporting the driver rather than replacing them. As we advance to higher levels, the vehicle assumes more control, ultimately reaching a point where it can operate independently in most, if not all, driving scenarios. Behind the scenes, machine learning plays a crucial role. AI systems are trained on vast datasets collected from millions of miles driven by both humans and autonomous vehicles. These datasets help the system recognize patterns, learn from diverse scenarios, and make split-second decisions that prioritize safety. For instance, the AI must distinguish between a plastic bag blowing across the street and a small animal darting into the road. Two situations requiring very different responses. But the road to full autonomy isn't without its challenges. Self-driving cars must cope with unpredictable weather, complex urban environments, and the sometimes erratic behavior of other road users. Ensuring that AI can handle these scenarios reliably and safely is a monumental task. Developers rigorously test these systems in both simulated and real-world environments, constantly refining the algorithms and updating the data. Safety remains the top priority. Autonomous vehicles are designed to eliminate human error, the leading cause of traffic accidents worldwide. By removing distractions, fatigue, and impaired judgment from the equation, self-driving technology holds the promise of significantly reducing collisions and saving countless lives. Beyond safety, the benefits of self-driving and AI-powered vehicles are far-reaching. For many, these technologies promise newfound independence, especially for those unable to drive due to age or disability. Urban environments could see a reduction in congestion as AI optimizes routes and traffic flow. Fuel consumption and emissions may also decrease, thanks to smoother and more efficient driving patterns. Yet, as with any disruptive technology, there are important questions to address. Society must consider the ethical implications of AI decision-making, such as how a vehicle should respond in unavoidable accident scenarios. There are also concerns regarding data privacy, cybersecurity, and the impact on jobs in driving-related industries. Governments and regulatory bodies are working closely with manufacturers and technology companies to establish standards, guidelines, and legislation that ensure the safe deployment of self-driving vehicles. Public acceptance will also play a pivotal role. Trust must be built through transparency, education, and a proven track record of safety. In the coming years, we can expect to see self-driving and AI-powered vehicles play an increasingly prominent role on our roads. The pace of innovation is rapid, and each advancement brings us closer to a world where transportation is safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, so too does the promise of a future where our vehicles are not just machines, but intelligent partners on every journey.